What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day. Those wheels that I just recently purchased and are having repaired, they're done. They've been done for a little bit, but with my work schedule and their schedule, I haven't been able to pick them up. So today's the first day that I can, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna meet the homie Ryan over there. All right, so just pulling up. Homie Ryan's there as well. Actually, let me flip this around. Alright, so he's taking a look to. Alright, looks like he got him. So let's take a look at him. What's up? Alright, here they are. They look like completely different wheels. The other one's on the way too. And I'll check with the center caps too. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so the center caps weren't painted, so they basically said they was gonna paint them, so we just went to grab something to eat. Just got back, about to pick them up now. They kind of packed here, so hopefully everything's done. And I decided to pick up some wheels. Alright, here we go. What you guys think? Right? Other one. And here the one here. Look at that. Mr. Rivers. Love the name. So we got all the wheels down. We just gotta get the center caps. So he's gonna get them out the back. Of course they're not on yet because they still gotta dry. Alright. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's sitting.
Sit it down, and I'm still gonna have to move it though.
Yeah. Let's see.
What?
That's what we have. Alright, got the center cap in there now. That's the way to go. Sheesh. 20 by 10. Positive 25. That moment of truth. No spacers.
There you go.
Alright, so we finally got the wheels on and got the car out. Still got to go through a test drive, make sure everything good, but sheesh. Let me know what you guys think. If you haven't noticed, they are going to the homie Ryan. Alright, Fitted Squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. As you can see, we got the homie's old wheels back there, so those will be listed up for sale here in a little bit. But most likely, I don't know. Still got a couple ideas might do with them, not sure yet. But if you're interested, go ahead and link that or let me know in the comment section. I don't plan to ship them, so Central Florida only, unless you're coming here. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.